Metra has collaborated with Vibe Audio to create state-of-the-art plug-and-play audio systems tailored to fit and enhance the amplified and the non-amplified Ford F-150. The FD-PPKT-1 will cover the F-150 factory amplified system from 2015 to 2017 and the non-amplified system from 2015 to 2024. And for the 2018 to 2024 F-150 with the B&O amplified system, we have the FD-PPKT-2. Everything needed to install a premium aftermarket audio system is conveniently included in one package. Premium amplifiers. A total of 6 assorted speakers for the front and rear of the vehicle. And a 10-inch subwoofer in a ported enclosure. Paired with an assortment of Metra products that make installation easy, such as a vehicle-specific plug-and-play integration harnessing, speaker adapters, amp brackets, and more. This kit includes a DSP tuned specifically for the vehicle and the equipment. No additional programming or setup is required. Simply plug in and wire up the equipment and your system will be ready to go. This comprehensive kit ensures every component works harmoniously to deliver unparalleled sound quality and ease of installation. So check out this audio kit and our other available audio kits at metraonline.com.